this video, you'll learn how to say some of the most common colors in French. Coming up, Michaela will share how to correctly pronounce each color, as well as make them masculine, feminine, and plural. So stay tuned, and don't forget to click the link in the description box to access free online French classes.
Hello everyone, this is Michaela from TakeLessons.com, and today we're going to be working on colors in French. So I'm going to be going through each one. I'm going to say it a few times, so make sure to repeat after me, okay? So to say red, we say rouge, rouge. To say orange, orange, orange. To say yellow, jaune, jaune. To say green, we have two options. If it's a masculine word, we say vert. If it's a feminine word, we say verte. For blue, we have bleu, bleu. Now you have to be careful with bleu because there is a masculine form and a feminine form. And the feminine form is going to have an extra E, but it doesn't change anything about the way we pronounce it. To say purple, we have two ways again. Our masculine form is violet, violet. And our feminine form is violette, violette. To say pink, we say rose, rose. To say black, we say noir, noir. Here again, we also have a masculine form and a feminine form. You just add an extra E, but it doesn't change anything about the way it's pronounced. To say brown, we have marron, marron. To say gray, for the masculine, we have gris, gris. For the feminine, grise, grise. For white, the masculine form is blanc, blanc. And the feminine form is blanche, blanche. So to make these plural, most of the time you're just going to add an S at the end. However, with the words orange et marron, orange and brown, you are never going to change these ones for masculine, feminine, singular, or plural. It's always going to stay the same form.
Hey there! Thanks for watching. Which color is your favorite to say in French? Leave a comment and let us know. And if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with more helpful French tutorials.